so cold. You got a great car. Yeah, what's wrong with it today? I used to have one too, maybe I'll come and have a look. I really love your hairdo, yeah. I'm glad you like mine too. You see, we're looking pretty cool. I'll get you, and I like you, yeah, I like you. And I feel so bohemian like you, and I like you, yeah, I like you. And I feel, oh, Hi, I'm Vasco, and today we're taking a look at Bohemian Like You by the band called Dandy Warhols. We're going to do it in the original key, and here in me I have a low G string ukulele, but it's not really that necessary to learn it on a low G. We have just one tone that we might use if you wanna, but even if it is a high G, it will be alright. So grab you if you have low G, preferably, if not, whatever ukulele you have in you, and let's learn this song. Okay, throughout the song we just basically repeat 4 chords. The chord of B, then the chord of D, then the chord of A, and the chord of E, which I'm grabbing like this. I'm kind of muting the A string the way I'm grabbing it here, just slapping my finger here, ring finger on the 4th fret. And also we are adding the suspended 4th tone for each of these chords, not throughout the whole song, but in the intro, and after that in the woohoo part. And here on the chord of B, to make it a suspended, you just add the pinky on the 4th fret of the C string and then releasing it. To make the D suspended, you have to add a finger here on the 3rd fret of the E string and then to release it. You can either do it like this or like this, whichever is more comfortable for you. To suspend the chord of A, you grab the chord of A and just add any of your fingers. I'm doing it with the ring finger on the 2nd fret of the C string, then releasing it. And for the chord of E, I'm adding the pinky here on the E string 5th fret and then releasing it. Right? So I'm doing down, up, adding the suspended, down, down, and on the next step, releasing it. So, okay. Then on the chord of D, the suspended is on the 3rd fret of the E string. Right? Then on the chord of A, it's on the 2nd fret of the C string. And on the chord of E is again on the E string, 5th fret, where I'm adding it with the pinky here, right? So. And at the end of the intro, and between the verses and between the choruses, we have this little part on the B chord that is doing this. This is where, if we have a low G, it will be better because we have just one note here, the B, that it's right below. this C, all right? The open C string, right below that, we need this B. So I'm grabbing the chord of B and I'm doing A string, then adding the pinky here on the E string, 5th fret, releasing it, playing the 2nd fret here, and then G string. So I'm not playing the C string, right? And we're doing this 4 times every time we have it in the song. And after that, in the verses and in the choruses, I'm not playing really the thing with the suspended chords. I'm just playing something like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. But throughout the chorus, I'm a little bit louder, and throughout the verse, a little bit quieter, right? So we build the dynamics between them. So let's go through the whole thing and see what we have. Intro. 1, 2, 3, oh. The interlude, and we go to the first verse. One last time. You got a great car. Yeah, what's wrong with it today? I used to have one too, maybe I'll come and have a look. I really love your hairdo, yeah. I'm glad you like mine too. You see, we're looking pretty cool. I'll get you. Interlude here, between the first and second verse. So what do you do? Yeah, I wave tables too. Da-ba-da-ba-bam, da-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. This was something that he have not heard her band yet, because they are pretty new. If you like, I can give you some vegan food because I like you. And we're going to the chorus, right, where we strum a little bit more. And cause I like you, yeah, I like you, and it feels so bohemian like you. Yeah, I like you, yeah, I like you, and feel, woo-hoo. This is the falsetto thing. With the suspended chords. And pretty much this sums up all the parts. We basically have 2 to 3 different parts, depending if we're looking at the part with the suspended chords as another part. But yeah, pretty cool song. It will be easier to learn if you have the printable in front of you, especially for the first few times that you're performing it somewhere. And after that you memorize it and you won't need it. But if you want to get it, there is a link in the description. Thank you very much for doing so, for watching, for subscribing, liking and everything. I appreciate you a lot, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.